I'm not able to see anything. It's just blank.
The screen. Why it's not coming?
Or do one thing, Arushi, you can share the presentation with me or anybody else whom you want. Then we will share the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Just I'll share it with you.
Did you mail it?
Just a second, ma'am. I don't know what.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is loading.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I see the screen?
Sorry?
Can you see this?
Yeah, now it is visible. Perfectly visible.
Okay. Okay. So good morning everyone. Today I, Hariti Srivastav of class 11th B. Today I am going to tell you some functions of list. So as we all know what is a list? List is a data type that allows you to store various types of data. So first of all we will study about sort function. The sort method sorts the elements of a given list in a specific ascending order. As you can see, list 1 has various types of trees in it. It has different size. If we write list1 dot sort list1, the output will be the trees will be assembled in an ascending order. As you can see, the smallest tree is on the first, and then the tallest is at last. Second, but what
Your voice is not audible, Arushi.
ma'am, but what if we want to sort in descending order? If we have to sort in descending order, we have to give the function as list1 dot reverse. So the output will become as reversed. So the output, the tallest tree will come at first, and the shortest will come at last. Second is reverse. The reverse method does not return any value but reverse the given object from the list. As you see, list 1 has different types of elements in it. The last element comes at first and the first last. That's how this function works. Third is find. So the find method finds the first occurrence of the specified value. As you can see, list 1 has again various types of elements in it. If we write list1 dot index this element, it tells us when the element has first occurred. So in list, this is 0th place, first, second, third, and fourth position. So this item has occurred on the first place. So it has given us output as 1. List 1 is again or index this element, but if the element is not present in the list, it will give us at output as value error is not in the list. uh, Third, count. The count method returns the number of elements with a specified value. So you can see list 1 again have different types of elements in it. If we given as list1 dot count this rabbit figure, uh, it will give us number of count, how much time does that item has occurred. So as you can see, it has occurred 2 times, so it has given us output as 2. Now let us see some more examples of all the built-in functions that we have studied. So as you can see, list 1 is equals to Ram, Sneha, Varun and Kirti. So list 1 dot sort. So list 1 will come Kirti, Ram, Sneha, Varun. It has arranged in an ascending order. As you can see, K, then R, then S, and then V. Then list 1 is equals to Ram, Sneha, Varun, Kirti. List 1 got reverse. So the last element has came at first, and the first element has came at last. That means it has reversed. Now list 1 is equal to mango, lychee, apple, orange. List 1 dot reverse. List 1 again the output will be reverse. So orange, apple, lychee, mango. List 1 is equals to Agra, Mumbai, Delhi, Goa, Delhi. So list 1 dot index. So list 1 dot index Delhi. So we are asking that when the element has first occurred. So as is 0, 1, second, third, fourth. So Delhi has occurred on the second place. So it has given us output as second. List Agra, Mumbai, Delhi, Goa, Delhi. List 1 dot index Punjab. So we don't have Punjab in this list. So it will give us output as value error. Punjab is not list. List 1 is equals to KitKat, Dairy Milk, KitKat, 5-star KitKat, list 1 dot count KitKat. That means how much time does that item has occurred in the list. So it has given us output as 3. That means 3 times that item has occurred in the list. Milk, KitKat, 5-star, list 1 dot count ice cream. So ice cream is not in the list, so output is 0. Thank you.
Any questions, anyone? You can't say that you don't have any questions to ask. You have to ask. Each one should ask a question. Let's start with Varun. Varun, post your question. Bhuvesh, you also post your question. Kashish, you also post your question. Meanwhile, Shrestha, unmute and ask the question. In case you people do not have a question, in case you find that in the entire presentation you have liked some part, maybe the presentation, maybe the communication, maybe the way it has been explained, okay, then you all can post a comment on it. Do it in the chat box immediately. Those who are not going to post, they will not be considered present in today's class. They will be marked absent. Confused between sort and reverse. So, Arushi, please re-repeat this. What is the difference between sort and reverse? You can re-share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, screen is visible?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, in sort, the element of the list gets sorted in ascending order by default. वो by default elements को ascending order में sort कर देता है, but है वो उस entire लिस्ट को रिवर्स कर देता है, मतलब उल्टा कर देता है. जो लास्ट एलिमेंट है वो पहले आ जाता है और जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है वो लास्ट आ जाता है. So that is the difference between sort and reverse.
You have a few more questions, comments in the box. Okay, sorry, I got disconnected. Use of images was very attractive. This is what Shrestha. I like the way of representing sort function using sizes of trees. Indeed, yes, Vanshika, I liked it a lot. Rather than using numbers, which is a general concept, you have chosen trees in order to represent the sorting function. Next, okay, got it, thanks. So Varun has understood the difference between sort and reverse. The way of representing sort is nice. Yes, Kashish, indeed, Arushi, the way you have taught sort is something which is amazing, really amazing. Nice presentation.
Thank you.
Bhuvesh,
Thank you.
the presentation is really nice. Yes, Bhuvesh, and I expect similar presentations from you also. Okay. Now, those who have posted something really good, I want you all to ask something to Arushi. Maybe some concept. Okay, Arushi, if you can show the same function, sort and reverse, by sharing your screen in Python. Will that be possible?
Let me check.
Okay.
My Python is not responding, but I have worked in Python and put in some examples. So I'll show that.
Sure, sure, sure. Sure, do that.
So ma'am, list one is equals to Ram, Sneha, Varun and Kirti. So list one dot sort. So list one, the output will be as Kirti, Ram, Sneha, Varun. It has assembled in an ascending order by default. That's what sort function does. So as you can see, Kirti is at first because the first letter of the word K comes first before R. So that's how it got sorted. List one is equals to Ram, Sneha, Varun, Kirti. If we want to sort it and in descending order, so we'll use that list one dot reverse function. We'll use reverse function, so the element will be reversed and it will be assembled in an descending order.
Mhm.
List one is equals to mango, lychee, apple, orange. List one dot reverse. So again, the whole list is reversed. As you can see, the last element of the list came at first, and the first element of the list came at last. So that's how it got reversed.
Right.
List one is equals to Agra, Mumbai, Delhi, Goa, Delhi. So list one dot index. Index means we are finding in with which place the element has occurred first time. So as you can see, this is zero place, this is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. So list
Mhm.
one dot index Delhi. So it has given us output as 2. That means Delhi has occurred second uh, at second at second place in the list.
Mhm.
List 2 equal to Agra, Mumbai, Delhi, Goa, Delhi. List 1 dot index Punjab. As Punjab is not in the list, so the output has came as value error. Punjab is not in the list.
Mhm.
List 1 is equals to KitKat, Dairy Milk, KitKat, 5-star KitKat. List 1 dot count KitKat. Count means how much time does that element has occurred in that list. So as you can see, KitKat has occurred 3 times, first, second, third. So the output has came as 3.
Mhm.
List 1 KitKat, Dairy Milk, KitKat, 5-star KitKat. List 1 dot count ice cream. So as you can see, ice cream is not present in the list. So the output has came as 0.
Mhm.
That's it, ma'am.
One thing, Arushi, output has came, nahi, output has come.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
I think, ma'am, but in reverse, Varun should come first before Kirti because we will come before K in reverse order.
This one.
Reverse. List one dot reverse. कीर्ति से पहले वरुण आना चाहिए. That is what he's saying.
Okay, ma'am.
द रीजन वाई यहाँ पे इस तरीके से आया है, लिस्ट वन डॉट रिवर्स उसने कर दिया है, लेकिन उसने प्रिंट किया है, लिस्ट वन को प्रिंट किया है. ओके, सो यू डू वन थिंग ओवर देयर, यू गिव प्रिंट देन इन ब्रैकेट्स लिस्ट वन डॉट रिवर्स, तो वो रिवर्स्ड को ही प्रिंट करेगा.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
अदरवाइज इट इज जस्ट रिवर्सिंग ओनली द लास्ट वन. लास्ट वाले को बस पहले लेकर आ रहा है, उसके बाद वो कुछ कर नहीं रहा.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, good, Varun, you were attentive. Any other doubt, anyone? Okay, I suppose you all remember that by 30th you all have to submit your lab manuals, their copies, that is PDF files, in the given link. I have given the link as an assignment in Teams, so I want you all to submit that by 30th. Okay, and somebody please pass on this information to Dhruv also. Who would do it? Sahil? Sahil, can you pass on the information to Dhruv Kaparwan also? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Sahil. Okay, so after Akash and Arushi, it was the turn of Kashish, Vanshika. So Kashish, are you ready today? Kashish, are you ready today? No. Okay, so in the next class, I want Kashish, Vanshika, and Varun, all three of you to be ready with your presentations. Okay, because this may happen that one of the students is facing some technical issues. Meanwhile, the other student will join in and the other student will give the presentation. And if in case anybody is absent, then also we are not going idle or wasting time. We have some other candidate to present. Okay. Ashish, Vanshika and Varun, all three of you to be ready tomorrow. Okay. I do not know whether tomorrow we have a class or not, but in case we have it, then definitely meet. It's there? Okay, done.
Yes,
so definitely tomorrow we'll meet. And tomorrow I want Kashish, first Kashish, then Vanshika, then Varun, all three of you will be presenting. Okay, and those who will be absent or will be facing any technical issues which generally can't be no Varun, I am not going to take that of Akash. कल आकाश को chance नहीं मिलने वाला, in fact कभी भी नहीं मिलने वाला, because turn is turn and person who is not responding at all, that person will not be given a chance. Okay, and I didn't get any intimation as to why he is absent, what is the reason. Okay, at least intimation to hona zaruri hai, that is also not given to me, so it's absent. Varun, you just take care. Varun and Kashish, please take care that tomorrow I do not want to listen to excuses like mic काम नहीं कर रहा, screen share नहीं हो रहा, internet नहीं चल रहा. ठीक है, हम chat पे डाल देंगे या फिर ऐसा कुछ. No, at max, like Arushi today, she was facing issues. At max, what we can do is you can share the presentation with me. I'll start sharing the screen and you can speak, but you cannot complain about mic not working or internet not working. These two complaints cannot be there. Kindly check on your internet, kindly check with your mics. Okay. Okay then, so again we will be meeting tomorrow. We can wind up today's class. Yeah, this class is recorded, Sahil. I'll be recording all the classes so that your presentations and your problems, everything will be in the recordings. Okay? Okay then. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.